Worldwel, as Korea's leading welding machine manufacturer, has grown to the cutting-edge industry of robot automation and laser welding equipment since its foundation of 1991, and now competes with the world's leading welding machine companies. To grow up a comprehensive manufacturing company, Worldwel has an automatic conveyor production line and produces more than 100 kinds of products such as arc, TIG, CO2 MIG welders, plasma cutters, spot, and SAW welders. And we are producing more than 10,000 products annually. In order to establish a stable production system, we are systematically manufacturing and inspecting the case sheet metal process and main body process from preparation to shipment. We have secured the quality and stability of our products by having the technology to produce PCB and semiconductor elements ourselves, which are the core parts of welding machines. We will maximize customer satisfaction with products which have durability and performance that meet the brand's long-run focus, not only on inverter production, but also on quality inspection, warranty repair, technology development, and research, and provide the best quality and service to our customers. Worldwel has established a nationwide agency network and provides products to major domestic companies. Through exports to more than 20 countries, including Asia, Europe, and the Americas, we are recognized for quality by users around the world and are continuously expanding exports. Worldwel has obtained a patent, ISO 9001, and the international certifications of European Safety Certification CE through its transparent and internally substantialized management. We have also been recognized for the quality and technology of our products by being designated as a root technology company and a specialized company for parts and material certifications. We will always do our best, from product development to customer satisfaction, in order to achieve the goal of technology that is the standard of value. Worldwel.